In this video, I'll tell you guys 10 cool things that you can try out with your Samsung Galaxy Fit 3. Starting off with the number one thing, you can double press this home key to launch any workout, or you can also remap this home button. For that, go to settings, scroll down and tap on advanced features. Now choose double press home button. From here you can choose any option from this list like settings, alarm, stopwatch and more. I'm picking up timer here. And now if I double press home button, it launches timer. You can control your phone's camera just using your Galaxy Smart Band. There's already a dedicated app available here and you don't need to install any other thing. So go to menu and open this camera controller app. You can see how responsive this app is. That's because there is no live view here. This smart band acts as a shutter button for your Galaxy phone. You can use a timer for photos and there is no option for video mode within this app, but you can change to video mode on your phone and tap this button on your Galaxy Fit 3. Now it will start recording video. Next, this band can save your life by detecting a hard fall. To enable that, go to settings, scroll down and tap on safety and emergency. You can add your medical info, but you have to enable these two options. First is emergency SOS that you can use by pressing the home button 5 times. Then you have to enable hard fall detection. And don't forget to add your emergency contact number right here. Galaxy Fit 3 has an amazing battery life of up to 13 days on a single charge. You can use this to continuously measure your heart rate and stress levels. For that, go to Samsung Health in menu. Scroll down and tap on settings. Here in heart rate, choose measure continuously. By the way, this was already enabled for my Galaxy Fit 3. Next in stress measurement, once again choose the same option. Blood oxygen measurement isn't continuous and it mostly takes a reading while taking a nap. So check it out. Galaxy Fit 3 has many different tiles that you can use by swiping to the left. You can add a few more by tapping on this plus icon. For example, let's add a timer tile. You can also adjust its location by long pressing on the tile and tap right here. I mostly like to keep heart rate and blood oxygen tile first. There's a media controller app in menu that you can use to play or pause any media on your phone, and you can adjust the volume too. But you can check out this media controller directly on your watch face. For that, go to settings, choose display and scroll down. Here you will see show media controls. Just turn on this option. Now you will see media option on your watch face and you can access it directly from there. You can find your phone using your Galaxy Fit 3 and there's a simple app in menu that lets you do this. Even if your phone is on silent, this app will play sound, but make sure your smart band is under phone's Bluetooth connectivity as there is no Wi-Fi, so it relies on Bluetooth for finding your phone. You can add any image of your choice as a watch face. For that, go to wearable app on your phone. Now choose tiles and select photos option in watch faces right here. Then tap on customize option on this tile and add any image from gallery. You can adjust this image like making it lighter or darker. Plus you can also change clock type and clock color. So give it a try. In the end, to avoid accidental touches, there's a waterlock mode. To access that, swipe down on your main watch face and on second page, you will see this icon. When you tap it, it turns on waterlock mode. Now screen won't work to avoid accidental touches, and to turn it off, simply long press the home button. So these were some cool things that you can try out on your Galaxy Fit 3. Make sure to subscribe as I'll be posting more content about it soon. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.